Okay, so we've just loaded up the VR Session 1 project, and you'll see in the content browser at the bottom, you'll see two folders, and in the 3D view you'll see the default world. And what we're going to be doing in this first session is showing you how you build a gallery made up of physical walls inside the virtual space, and how we set up the virtual reality avatar inside the world, so then we can see it through our Quest 2 headset, which is connected to the PC. So the first thing that we do is, if you go to the test folder, and there is a folder called Virtual Reality Blueprint, or BP. Open that up. Open up Blueprints. And inside here, we've got a number of files. The one that's the important one is the motion control pawn. That is the thing that you need to make sure that you've got inside your world, because without that, you won't be able to see it in the Quest 2. So we drag that into the scene. And if I press F on the keyboard with this selected, you can see, if I move around, you can see it's made up of a camera. Okay, and that's the virtual reality camera, and you can see that's the view at the moment from the camera. Now the camera needs to be on the base of the floor. Effectively, what's happening is, think about the camera as the head-mounted display. As soon as you put your Quest 2 headset on your head, this camera will then be moved upwards, okay, at the height of you along this surface. So there needs to be some form of floor that you place it on. That's the first thing to remember. The second thing to remember is, with the motion controller pawn selected inside the 3D view, if you look in the details panel, you need to make sure that auto possess player isn't disabled. You select player 0. And what that means is as soon as you click on the preview in VR, it will recognize that the camera that is selected is going to be the camera that you're going to view the world through. If you don't do that, it won't work. All right. So in the next video, we'll talk a little bit about the scales of your gallery environment, and I'll show you how to view that through the virtual reality.